Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about the Android 16 useful features and settings. So let's talk about in this Motorola application. So first let's open the settings. So here will be how you can double tap at the back of the screen to open any of the just open the application. So here I am just double tap on this back side at the back, so it will back press the application like this. So how you can do so firstly let's open the settings, and then you have to scroll downwards and click on this gestures, and now you have to scroll downwards. You will see here it is quick launch. Double tap the top third of the back of your phone to trigger custom actions. So you can just enable this feature from here. You can try it out feature from here. Just tap on it and you can see to try different tap strengths. Let's double tap at the back. Here I am here. Just press this and it's hard. Now again, and it's hard. So this is how you can try it out, how you can open it. By doing that you have to press on the done button, and this is how you can enable that feature. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.